Disabling two-factor authentication on Trip.com can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the option to disable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts, which may include entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, ensure that you receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been turned off. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Trip.com account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.